everybody, it's Kim, and today we have some Christmas Legos that we're putting together. These came in my Christmas stocking. So this is a reindeer and a couple presents. It is 3047 for 77 pieces, and it's super cute. So let's get right into it. Okay, and there we have it. We have our reindeer who can spread his legs like that, but can't actually walk, but can stand really nicely. And his head goes up and down in two different ways, which is a little weird. And we have our two presents. Okay, that was it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos every Wednesday, and I'll see you guys next time. Merry Christmas!